Good morning, everyone. I just woke up, as you can probably tell. And I've decided today to do a kind of a day in the life, but hopefully show you guys some cool stuff that you've been kind of asking to see. What do I have planned? I'm gonna be doing a workout. So I'm doing a lower body workout very shortly. And then I'm gonna be making some bone broth later today. And I know that's one of the things that you guys have been asking a recipe for, because I make bone broth pretty much on a weekly basis in the wintertime. And I'm not sure what else. I got some stuff from Natura Market that I want to show you guys, some of my favorites. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to do a video like this. I have not done a video like this since I was living in Germany, which is over 2 years ago. So hopefully you enjoy it. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna take my supplements right now, which is the first thing I do in the morning, and then head to the gym. Okay, so these are all my supplements: probiotics, vitamin D, my marine collagen in my water here with my vitamin D, and then I take my anti-aging capsules here, which are a combination of some EPA, DHA, so my omega-3s, GLA, omega-6, vitamin D, and lutein and zeaxanthin. All right, so I drink that. This is like a game changer for me for taking my supplements, because this water here, collagen water, strawberry flavored, tastes so good. So it actually makes me look forward to taking my supplements in the morning, which was never the case before.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really.
Hello, welcome back. So I'm all showered after my workout, and then I wanted to do a little bit of a deep brief on the workout, but I was running late, had to get my brows done, get my brows waxed and tinted. Ran out to do that. On the way back, grabbed a coffee, and now I'm having a little treat slash breakfast. This is technically my first food of the day. It is my chocolate sea salt collagen bites, which are included in my 7-day meal plan. And now I kind of have to continue to get ready. Still no makeup on. My hair is not curled. And then that's when the good stuff is gonna start. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make some bone broth and show you guys a few things that I got recently that I like. Oh, and I really hope you enjoyed the workout that I just showed you guys. It's a brand new workout plan that I'm on, so I'm really excited about it because literally I've been on it for like a week and I feel like my body's already changing. Like I haven't split my workouts in a really long time, like a lower body day and upper body day. I just feel like my legs are really vibing with this. So I'll keep you guys updated, see how it goes. But as you can see, it's not super long or anything like that. It's very functional still, but I think it's gonna give me better results than what I had been doing. Like my HIIT workouts are great if you just want to like burn calories, get your endurance up. Like they definitely burn calories and make you sweat, which is great, but I don't feel like I was really building any muscle, especially when it comes to my glutes. I feel like I wasn't very strong there where I had been in the past because of like my volleyball background. So I'm excited to get back to that. The training plan I have right now is very similar to what I did when I was in university and some of the years that I played overseas as well. So it's cool, I like it. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna go get ready, and then I'll catch you guys later. Okay, we meet again in the kitchen because I want to show you guys a bone broth recipe that I make almost on a weekly basis into winter time. Summer, not as much because I don't crave bone broth as much, and then when I make it, I feel like it just goes to waste. But this is so easy. I mean, nothing that I make in this kitchen is not easy because if it's not easy, then I'm not gonna make it. So bone broth is quite easy to make. I got some bones at the butcher. I tried to get grass-fed beef bones. And then all you have to do is roast them in the oven at 425 for 25 minutes. I have them right here and I just toss them in the crock pot. Roasting them really helps with flavor. It's not necessary, but highly recommend. Okay, so next you want to add the water, and you want the water to be boiling from the start. So I just boiled 4 liters of water, so 2 pounds of bones, 4 liters. Aim for where there's no bones. It's a trick. All right, all the way to the top. And honestly, okay, so apple cider vinegar, you want to add that so that it helps kind of leach all the minerals out of the bones. So 2 tablespoons. Again, this is so easy. You don't really have to measure, like 1, 2, right? It's good enough. You can also add salt and pepper at this point. I prefer to add it once I actually drink the bone broth. I really like salt, so I just add it at that point. Now, the rest, you could just do this and it would probably be pretty good, especially if you're adding salt and pepper. But I do recommend adding some garlic, onion, celery, and carrots, whatever you have. So I happen to have 3 cloves of garlic in my fridge. So that's going in. I just peeled them and then smashed it, and just, it doesn't matter. All of this is gonna be strained anyways. And then I had half a yellow onion, so I just roughly chopped it, and I'm just gonna throw that in there as well. Good enough. And then I'm gonna do 2 stalks of celery. You don't even have to like properly cut stuff, like it doesn't matter, right? So put it in there, voila. So this is it. I'm gonna put the top on, turn it on. I put it on low. I would suggest minimum 8 hours, so like overnight. Makes your house like smell so like yummy in the morning. It's like chicken soup or beef soup, I guess. And you can even leave it for as long as 24 hours. Last time I did 24 hours, I think it was probably my best broth, like taste-wise, best broth yet. But usually I don't have like the patience. So right now, what time is it? It's 3:30 p.m. I'm probably gonna put it on until tomorrow morning. Then in the morning, I would just drain everything. So all the veggies and bones would be compost. And then I put the broth in mason jars, put put it in the fridge, and when it cools down, there's gonna be this layer of fat that's gonna come on top. That makes the broth really oily, so I don't typically consume the broth until it's been refrigerated and I can take that fat layer off, and then I feel like that's like the best broth. Because if you have it like straight out of here, it's like very oily. It's kind of like if you poured some olive oil in your soup. So yeah, that's how you make bone broth. Hopefully you guys give it a try because it's so easy. Bone broth is super nourishing. If you want me to go over the benefits of bone broth, let me know. Probably not worth making a full video on it, but I could definitely make like an Instagram post. Hi. Okay, so I have a few things that I've received over the last few days that I wanted to show you. Don't mind me just sitting with kitchen table over there. I really think this is gonna be my new spot because I have one window in my place and it's a massive window. It's great, I love it. But anywhere else you can see it's just really dark. So I may just have to sit on the floor and hang out with you guys here. So let's start with, I did a poll on Instagram, asked you guys if you wanted to see a few of my favorite products from Natura Market. And you said yes. Well, a decent amount of you guys said yes. Some of you guys said no, but there was more yes than no, so we're going with that. Okay, I got products from 3 brands, which are probably my top 3 brands from Natura Market. Like I have my staples there. So let's go with the first brand, which is Simple Mills. They have paleo friendly crackers. All of their products are super delicious. So yeah, pretty much just, they have a lot of stuff. They do like, oh, hey bud. They do like baking mixes. I actually have a banana bread mix in my pantry as well. But today, or this week, was all about the crackers. These are my favorite. What are they called? Fine ground sea salt. Just straight up sea salt almond flour crackers. So good. And then I actually picked these up for the first time ever. They're the seed crackers, sprouted seed crackers. They're paleo, eh? That'd be awkward. Yeah, they are. Oops. Last time I did my food sensitivity test, it did say that I was intolerant to sunflower seeds. So I've been trying to avoid them just not to like irritate my gut. If it does actually cause a problem, there are sunflower. So I didn't notice when I picked these ones up that they were seed-based, but what I can tell you is this box is empty right now. So I crushed it. It was delicious. I had it with tuna salad. It was good. So they taste delicious. I don't know if I'll repurchase them just because I do try to avoid sunflower seeds right now. I don't know if I really need to or what, but anyways. But these ones for sure, they have a rosemary kind and a sun-dried tomato kind. Love both of them. Okay. That's Simple Mills, love them. If you are looking for a cracker that's healthier and not super seedy, honestly, even the seed ones are not super seedy, but the Mary's, what is it, Mary's crackers? Oh, I find them so seedy. They're not paleo friendly either, they're brown rice, but still, oh, I can't do it. It's just too seedy. I want like an actual cracker that tastes like it's made with flour. Okay, next up, another brand that I absolutely love, paleo friendly, is Siete. So Siete makes tortilla chips and tortillas. Those are the things they make more, but those are the things that I purchase from them on the regular. Oh, and just like chips, like a healthy version of like Doritos, which I could have shown you if I didn't just eat the whole bag on Saturday night, but I still have some stuff left. I definitely showed you guys this before. This is just their simple tortilla chip in the sea salt flavor, and it's so good. I would prefer this over like actual corn chips any day. It's made with the base is cassava flour, and then it has avocado oil, coconut flour, ground chia seeds, and sea salt. So simple and it tastes so good. So this is like, I always want them in the house. If I run out, then usually I will restock. In the summertime, this with fresh pico, guac, so good. And then they also have tortillas. I have tried the cassava ones before. I've used them many times. They're great for like breakfast tacos. Love a good breakfast taco. I haven't tried the almond flour ones. Really excited. I want to kind of see which one I like best, and then I may just stick to one option. But again, grain-free tortillas, guys. This is Very innovative stuff, okay? Lastly, got 2 bags of this, and there's a reason I got 2 bags because I knew probably eat a whole bag before I could film this video. No, I didn't know that actually, but I was really stressed on Sunday trying to get my meal plan up. By the way, if you haven't downloaded my 7-day paleo meal plan yet, it's in my last video. Link is in the bio. It's also going to be in this video actually. So link is in, it's not a bio, it's a description box. Yeah, so link there. I was just finishing that up and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of skipped lunch and had a full bag of these. This is definitely a treat. I'm not recommending that you eat this for lunch, but I did, so that's that. But these are great. I love chocolate almonds, but I just can't eat like the regular ones. They're just too sweet. They have like the perfect balance, like the ratio of almond and chocolate. It's not too much chocolate, it's just a nice little coating, and it's almonds, and then it's organic cacao, organic coconut sugar, cocoa butter, sea salt, and that's it. So there's sugar in here, so that's where I'm like, probably shouldn't smash a whole bag in one sitting instead of lunch, which would usually be like a salad. So anyways, there's sugar in here. So still be mindful that this does contain sugar, but it's definitely a better option that like the crap that you would find in stores. So I love this brand. They do a bunch of different like chocolate options, but this is my go-to. Okay, that's actually it for my Natura Market order. But those are my 3 favorite brands: Siete, Simple Mills, and You Chocolate. Is it just You? I think it's You. Anyways, now I wanted to show you guys, I got a foam roller from Amazon, and I'm excited because I haven't had a foam roller for a little while. It's not a foam roller. This is not my package. This is awkward. Where's my foam roller? I was supposed to get here like a few days ago. Awkward. But last thing I want to show you guys is, you guys know Ben Beauty. I talk about them all the time. They have my favorite supplements ever, and they just sent me the sweetest gift. I am an ambassador for them, but they collabed with my favorite candle company and made, look at this, it's so cute. I don't know how to, oh, there you go. Sweetest little candle, and the candles are actually made by Circle and Wick. I'll leave a link to Circle and Wick down below, but it's 2 of my friends that run this company, and they make the best candles ever. They're all soy based and phthalate free, which is so important, guys. Like if you're burning a candle and that stuff's going in the air, like you are breathing that. So make sure that, you know, clean food, clean beauty, clean cleaning products, clean candles. So thank you, Ben, for sending me this. Super sweet. I love their little quote, create a beautiful life, all about that. Thank you, Brittany and Courtney, for creating such an amazing product. I'm addicted. And I think this is it. I think I'm gonna wrap up the video. You know, we got bone broth, we got a workout, we got me rambling. So it seems like a great mix. Definitely a different video than what I have been doing. Like when I was in Germany, I used to make these, which I really enjoyed. So let me know what you think. Do you like this, or do you not like this? Or if you don't like this, what would you like to see? Just let your girl know. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, feel free to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and you know, comment, just leave a little hello. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.